Hello everyone and welcome back to avijitp-tech. In this sixth episode, we will continue exploring operators. In the previous session, we covered arithmetic operators. Today, we will dive into assignment, comparison, and logical operators. So let's get started.
Assignment operators help us assign values to variables. There are different types of assignment operators. Let's check them one by one. The first assignment operator is the equal to sign. It is used simply to assign a particular value to a variable. Next, I assign the value 15 to the variable x. Now I write x is equal to x plus 5. This increases the value of x by 5 and reassigns the new value to x. The result is 20. Similarly, if I write x minus is equal to 5, the value of x decreases by 5. The multiplication assignment operators multiplies the initial value of x by 5. The division operator and the modulus operator works similarly. In the modulus assignment operator, for example, when we divide 15 by 5, the remainder is 0. So the output is 0. If I change the divisor to 4, the remainder becomes 3. So the output is 3. We can also assign the updated value of x to another variable. Now let's study about comparison operators. As the name suggests, comparison operators are used to compare two values. If I assign 10 to x and 15 to y, I can use the double equal to operator to check if x and y are equal. The result is false. If I change the value of y to 10 and then compare again, the result is true. We can also compare x with a number directly. Now I put 10 inside quotes, making it a string. If I compare x with the string value of 10, the result is true. But how can a number and a string be equal? JavaScript automatically converts the string 10 to a number before comparing. Even if we compare numerical 10 with string value of 10, the result is true. To avoid this, we use the strict equality operator, which consists of three equal to signs. This checks both value and data type. Now, if I compare numerical value of 10 and string 10, the result is false. We also have the not equal to operator. It returns true when the values are different and false when they are the same. Similarly, the strictly not equal to operator checks both value and data type. Now comes the greater than and less than operators. The greater than and less than operators compares two values. For example, if x is greater than y, it checks if x is greater than y. The greater than or equal to and less than or equal to operators check if a value is greater or less or equal to one another. We can also store the comparison result in a variable as true or false. Now comes logical operators. There are three logical operators in JavaScript: logical or, and logical not. The logical AND operator returns true only if both conditions are true. If any one condition is false, the result is false. Let's understand this with a simple example. Suppose a job requires the age to be between 18 and 30. If the age falls within this range, the result is you are eligible. If the age is 15 or 60, the result is you are not eligible. Now let's check the logical OR operator. The logical OR operator returns true if at least one condition is true. For example, in a sports competition, the requirement is the age should be greater than 80 or the height should be less than 120 centimeter. If either conditions is met, the result is you are eligible. If both conditions fail, the result is you are not eligible. Lastly, let's learn about the logical NOT operator. This operator simply reverses the result. If the condition is true, it returns false and vice versa. For example, in a health insurance application, if I select yes for smoker, the result is you are not eligible. If I select no, the result is you are eligible. That's all for this session. In the next session, we will learn about control statements in JavaScript.
That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this presentation, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and leave a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you soon in the next video. Take care and bye for now.